0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morganfield,
Tomorrow's the
Sturgis,
20th, right?
Redbridge Center, Uniontown, and Waverly. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Union, Kentucky. Flash flood warning remains in